excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Banzi, and today I'm going to show you how you can make at least $120 on a brand new site which I've never mentioned on my channel before. All right. Before I give you the details, my friend, let me just remind you that my channel is all about making money. I make videos that show people how to make money using the internet. And if it is your desire to learn how to use the internet to make money, then you are the correct person. You are watching the correct channel at the right time. So click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss any broadcasts from this channel. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can make at least $120 almost on autopilot. So the site we are looking at, my friend, is called Quicken Gigs. This is Quicken Gigs, my friend. This is a freelance site. Hire quality freelancers and find freelance jobs online. Okay? So you are coming here as a freelancer, and I'm going to show you how you can do it if you have not done it before. All right? It's dead easy. Don't worry about that one. Okay? So people come here looking for different things: graphic designers, character design, web mobile design, okay, book and album covers, right, character modeling, Photoshop editing, digital marketing, market research, okay, SEO, writing, right, article writing, guest posting, transcripts, email copy, and so many other services are being offered right here. Right. So people come here and they're looking for these services. Right. So we've got two sets of people who visit this website or who use this website: those who are outsourcing these services and those who are offering the services. Okay. Right. So you are coming here as one of those who are offering the services as a freelancer. So what you need to do is to register as a freelancer right here. You register for free, and then you create your own portfolio, right? So that when people visit this site looking for certain services, they will find your profile also right here. And then they'll click and they'll order through your link, and you'll be notified by the site that you have a job to do. All right. So look at some of the brands who use this site: PayPal, Microsoft, Google, right? Facebook. It's quite a well-known site, this one. Okay. Right. So now, but the cool bit about it is that it's coming and it's offering some services which are similar to another site. And that site is a giant site, okay? And it's a very popular site. The only advantage we have right here on Quicken Gigs is that it's less known and there is less competition in as far as the freelancers are concerned. All right. So it means when people visit this site, your chances of being hired to get a job, 2 jobs, 3, 4, 5 jobs per day, per week are higher. Okay, right. The other site which I'm talking about is called Fiverr.com right here, right? This is quite huge. All right. So as I'm going to compare right now, I'm going to type in transcribe video, right, on Fiverr, on the other one, right? You see that we've got 2,166 services available, meaning that there are 2,000 people who can transcribe videos, right, on Fiverr, right? If we are to go to Quicken Gigs and search for transcribe as well, transcribe video, and search video editing, we find that there is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 services available. You can see that, my friend, there is no competition at all. There is no competition at all among the freelancers, right? compared to the 2,000 who are on Fiverr. How are you going to do it? Right? So you register here. So you register and you can connect with Facebook, Google, or Yahoo, right? And create an account right here. And then you create your profile. This one is charging $60. That one's $65. That's $60. All right. So if you get 2-3 jobs per day, then you've got more than 120, which I'm talking about. Okay, right. So now, how are you going to transcribe the videos? Right now, I'm going to show you a hack, right? If you are enjoying the video, my friend, let me know in the comments. We use my video, right? This is my channel, right? So say you have been given a video to transcribe or an audio file to transcribe or some audio kind of file, and you have to transcribe and put it onto print, right? So let's click one of the videos right here, right? Okay, right, we pause that video. All right, so you see here under the video, after save, you've got 3 dots right there. You click the 3 dots and you see that there is open transcript right here. If you click it, right, you can see that my video has been transcribed by YouTube already. It's in print. Everything that I say in that video, it's already on print right here. Right, so what you do now, when you get a video to transcribe, you upload that video on YouTube, but you put it as a private video. After YouTube has transcribed the video for you, you copy the transcription right here. You copy the text, and then you go on Google Docs. You go on Google Docs, and then you open a new file, right? And then you paste it on Google Docs. Then you polish it, you make it nice, you do a good job right there, you revise it and you proofread it. Everything is done right here. And then you submit it back to your customer on Quick and Gigs. All right. And then you get your 120. What you'll be charging will be, you put yours as 120 right here. Don't worry about those who are charging 50, 60, 65. You put your profile and you say professional video editing, right? And then you put starting at $120. People have got a tendency of hiring those that are charging more because they think that those who are charging more have got better quality. All right. So don't be afraid to put 120 on your profile right here. Okay. So this is how you're going to make at least 120 every day, every week, depending on your efforts. So the first thing is just register and you put your profile right here and you leave it there. The site will notify you when you get a job. Big brands come on this site looking for some services. Okay. The only problem with this site, with what I've just described to you, my friend, is that it's active income. You have to work all the time. You have to be hands-on all the time. If you do not work, if you do not transcribe anything, you are not going to get paid. That's the only problem, right? But you see, the big announcement that I have for you is that, my friend, you can set up a business on Autopilot. And this business can go and work for you 24/7, 365. Whilst you are asleep, whilst you are traveling on vacation, whilst you are visiting some remote and faraway places, right? Whilst you are spending quality time with your loved ones, with your wife, your husband, with your kids, whilst you are doing the more important things in life and you are not worried about money. In the description, I've got a link which says my #1 recommendation of making money on autopilot. Click that link and then it will take you to a site where you are taught how to set up a business on autopilot. Otherwise, we'll see each other in the next videos. Bye for now.